Want to draw perfect 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 or 90 degree lines? Turn on polar tracking. If you are trying to draw these angles by guessing with your mouse, you are making it much harder than it needs to be. To turn it on, simply click polar tracking button on the status bar or press F10 on your keyboard. Let's see how it works. I'll start the line command. As I move my cursor, notice how it automatically snaps to common angles. Here is 90 degrees, here is 45 degrees, and here is 30 degrees. Instead of guessing the angle with your mouse, polar tracking helps you draw accurately every time. Need different angles? Right-click the polar tracking button and select Settings. Here, you can choose common angles like 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, or add your own if needed. Whenever you are drawing walls, furniture, mechanical parts or any object with precise angles, keep polar tracking turned on. It makes drawing faster and much more accurate. Remember, F10 turns polar tracking on or off instantly. It's a shortcut you will use all the time. That's it for this tutorial. In the next video, we will learn how to copy objects in AutoCAD quickly using the copy command. See you in the next one.